A decade of design. Made for Grand Cherokee. Battery plant joint venture. All right now on Stellantis Spotlight. The Stellantis Product Design Office is celebrating 10 years of its annual Drive for Design contest. This year's challenge focuses on sketching a Chrysler brand vehicle of the future. 3 winning sketches will be selected, and those artists will receive a virtual day of design that includes a portfolio review with Chief Design Officer Ralph Shields and Head of Ram Truck and Mopar Design Mark Trossel, as well as a scholarship to attend a 4-week summer program at the College for Creative Studies in Detroit. The contest is open to U.S. high school students in grades 10 through 12, and entry submissions are due by May 13, 2022. For more information, visit StellantisDriveForDesign.com. The Jeep brand launched its new marketing campaign, Made for What You're Made Of, featuring the new Grand Cherokee, Grand Cherokee L, and Grand Cherokee 4xe. Filmed in Colorado and Utah, the new campaign features a Paralympian runner, ice diver, and base jumper. The campaign is rooted in the go anywhere, do anything spirit of the Jeep brand and its vehicle owners, fans, and followers. The new campaign launches across television and the Jeep brand social media channels. And finally, Stellantis NV and LG Energy Solution announced a joint venture to establish the first large-scale domestic electric vehicle battery manufacturing facility in Windsor, Ontario, Canada. The more than $5 billion Canadian dollar investment will produce leading-edge lithium-ion battery cells and modules to meet a significant portion of Stellantis' vehicle production requirements in North America. The facility is projected to have an annual production capacity in excess of 45 gigawatt hours, and the plant is targeted to be operational in 2024, creating an estimated 2,500 new jobs. Those are this week's top stories on Stellantis Spotlight. Reporting for Stellantis Digital Media, I'm Peter Spezia.